What's up, everyone? Today, we compare the 2020 C8 mid-engine coupe versus convertible. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy D, and welcome to D's Rides, the channel with vlogs, how-tos, and car reviews. Today, we compare and contrast the 2020 C8 coupe versus the convertible. Roughly 3 months after the unveiling of the new C8 mid-engine Corvette Coupe, GM unveiled the convertible in Merritt Island, Florida at the Kennedy Space Center. With the reveal of the convertible, it begs the question, have you changed your decision? GM has totally changed the game by introducing for the first time a hardtop convertible which allows the car to retain its body lines. One of the most noticeable differences is the Targa versus convertible. The coupe is equipped with a Targa top which allows you to have the best of both worlds. Drivers have historically been able to take off the Targa top without disrupting the lines of their car, which in the past has been an issue for many. As I've stated before, a convertible C7 looks absolutely stunning to me. However, I was not thrilled once the top was up. Now, this is just my preference and is by no means a dig at anyone who has a convertible. I was not thrilled that the quarter ducts were taken away in the convertible option of the C7. The quarter ducts gave it another level of aggressiveness that I couldn't deal without. Similarly with the C8, you sacrifice the engine bay view. However, with the hardtop convertible, those lines are maintained and also gives the C8 a whole new look and feel. The convertible uses 6 electric motors to raise and lower the top in just 16 seconds at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. There is a $7,500 difference between the coupe and a similarly optioned convertible. So what are you getting with the convertible that you are not getting with the coupe, and vice versa? Is it worth spending $7,500 for a convertible? This brings the C8 convertible to $67,495 as a starting price with no bells or whistles. The convertible will have a few more standard features as compared to the coupe, but the main reason for the extra greenbacks are due to the convenience factor. Another difference between the coupe and convertible is, of course, the engine bay. With the convertible, you are unable to see the engine, which is a major wow factor for the C8 coupe. The folding hardtop rests on top of the space above the engine. There are vents there as well to help the engine with cooling. For me, not being able to see the engine bay is a hard pill to swallow, but is not a total deal breaker. For some C8 fans, it totally will be, but that's when you will have to decide what you can and can't live with in regards to the looks of the car. Flowing into the convertible top are the nacelles. This is the area directly behind the driver and passenger seats. They give the convertible a totally refined and distinguished supercar look. However, as our good friend Rick Corvette Conti pointed out, the nacelles create huge blind spots for the convertible. The nacelles wrap around from the side, obstructing the passenger and, more importantly, driver peripheral view, and creates a severe blind spot. Blind spot monitoring should help with this, however, that feature only comes on 2LTs and above. We will have to see what the verdict is on this.
We're here in the Rocket Garden at the Kennedy Space Center Visitors Complex. A very special place to reveal a very special car, and to highlight the influence that aerospace design and innovation have had on Corvette over the years.
And the early American astronauts were also our heroes, and so it's not a big surprise that the icons of the space program drove the iconic car of America, the Corvette.
And now we're going to make history again.
I've dreamed of working on Corvette since I was a kid. I'm excited to be a part of a talented team that is launching this game changer. The first retractable hardtop, mid-engine Corvette Stingray convertible. The 2-panel retractable hardtop operates in 16 seconds at speeds up to 30 miles per hour at the touch of a button. The Stingray offers the same impressive ability to store 2 sets of golf clubs even when the top is down. The convertible also carries the Coupe's front storage compartment, which can fit an airline spec carry-on and a laptop bag. The convertible with the top up matches its outstanding aerodynamic performance, providing 400 pounds of downforce at 180 miles per hour when equipped with the Z51 package.
Like all Corvettes, aerospace and jet aircraft are the inspiration for the designers, and the nacelles are no exception. They visually echo the passenger seating environment and give admirers a glimpse of the interior selection.
First quarter of next year, we'll start building convertibles alongside the Coupe, and it'll continue the value proposition that we're famous for. Retracting hardtop and actually some other standard equipment requires a premium of $7,500, so it's going to start at $67,495. In the world of retracting hardtops, that's a bargain. It's a real honor for me to lead this team that's writing this new book on Corvette. And tonight we're going to add another chapter with the convertible.
We all knew that the C8 convertible would be heavier than the Coupe, but by how much? We now know that the official weight difference is around 80 pounds. It could have been much heavier, but because of the use of composite materials for the roof and electronic motors instead of hydraulic ones, they were able to stave off some weight. The convertible, with regards to cargo space, wins over the Coupe. When the hardtop is retracted, you are still able to have full access to the rear trunk area to store your 2 golf bags. However, when you remove the targa top and store it in the trunk, you completely lose space and then will be relegated to storing items in the front. The Coupe and convertible will also have totally different suspension calibrations. With that, Chevy stated that the performance from a suspension standpoint would be identical between the 2 body styles. However, because of the additional weight that I mentioned earlier, I do suspect that those 0 to 60 times will be a tad bit slower than the Coupe, but not by much. So, which one would you choose? Are there any buyers who have changed their orders from a Coupe to a convertible? I tend to think that there are some who has, but not many. No matter which one you decide to choose, you are getting one hell of a car for the money. So everyone, I'd like to once again thank you for taking the time to check out this channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button if you so desire, and remember to hit that bell notification button so that every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. Until the next time, my friends, please remember, everyone deployed, and I'm out.
Chevrolet brings the future.